Many people think the only question in an SSDI claim is, can I still do my old job? But Social Security actually asks a second, very important question. Can you perform any other work based on the skills you've gained throughout your career? This is where past job skills and transferable skills become important. When evaluating your application, Social Security reviews your work history over the past 15 years. They look beyond your job titles and examine the actual duties you performed, the skills you developed, your education, your age, and your medical limitations. For example, if you spent years supervising employees, using specialized computer systems, handling scheduling, or managing paperwork, Social Security may consider whether those skills could transfer to another occupation that fits within your current physical or mental limitations. However, transferable skills don't automatically mean you'll be denied. The analysis depends on many factors. If your medical condition limits your ability to sit, stand, concentrate, use your hands, or maintain a regular work schedule, even jobs that match your prior skills may not be realistic. Age is another major consideration. Under Social Security's medical vocational guidelines, people age 50 and older may receive more favorable consideration because adapting to entirely new work becomes more difficult. The combination of your age, education, work experience, and residual functional capacity can significantly affect the outcome of your claim. That's why it's so important to provide an accurate description of your past jobs. Instead of simply listing a job title like manager or technician, explain your daily duties, physical requirements, specialized training, decision making responsibilities, and the tools or equipment you used. These details help Social Security properly evaluate whether your skills are truly transferable. Medical evidence remains the foundation of every SSDI claim, but your work history helps determine whether there are other jobs Social Security believes you could still perform despite your limitations. At Disability Advocates Group, we help clients thoroughly document both their medical limitations and their work history, so Social Security has a complete and accurate picture when evaluating their claim. If you're unsure how your past work experience could affect your SSDI application, call Disability Advocates Group today at 800-788-2095 for a free consultation, or use our free SSDI screener at ssdianswers.com to see if you may qualify for SSDI benefits. This video provides general information about SSDI. It does not constitute legal advice.